RC Swapper presents Filmy Firangi, विदेशी फिल्म्स देसी फील्स।
हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज योर गर्ल सोनल और मेरे साथ है
आरती। हाय।
यहाँ पर हम हॉलीवुड फिल्म्स, ओवरसीज फिल्म्स, के पॉप फिल्म्स, वेब सीरीज, इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे। बेसिकली एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग आउटसाइड ऑफ इंडिया, और उस पर अपना टेक देंगे। आरती इज अ बुक रीडर, शी लव्स रीडिंग बुक्स। तो ऐसे कई फिल्म्स हम जानते हैं जो अडेप्ट हो चुके हैं बुक्स से। सो शी इज गोइंग टू हेल्प मी विद द
Book version,
book
yeah.
versions of things.
And Sonal's watched a lot more action and sci-fi movies than me. तो उसके साथ Sonal's the expert.
So, to begin, ta-da! Had to do it. So, this is a music box, which is of my favorite film franchisee ever, the Jurassic Park. और Jurassic Park की जो theme tune है ना आरती, which I'm just gonna play it out for you and for all of you guys. This tune makes me so emotional, Aarti, because nostalgic, and I think मेरा entire बचपन, if I feel, was rich. It was because of the Jurassic Park series. और अभी Jurassic World Rebirth का जो trailer हमने देखा है. Do you want to talk about it?
Yeah. So I actually only wanted to watch it because उसमें Jonathan Bailey and Scarlett Johansson है.
Yeah.
So like both of those actors are guilty favorite type of actors. I like I like a lot of Scarlett Johansson's rom-coms.
Oh.
And obviously Jonathan Bailey Bridgerton में तो like
Jonathan Bailey ने ऐसे suddenly आके जो धमाका कर दिया है Bridgerton के बाद से.
Like I don't even remember जो भी था उसमें, like he was in things before Bridgerton.
Yeah.
But he wasn't in.
Well, remarkable contribution to the
Yeah.
series था Jonathan Bailey का. And did you know Scarlett Johansson recently एक interview में उन्होंने बताया that वो Jurassic के franchise की बचपन से ही बहुत बड़ी fan रही है.
Wow.
And when she was 7 years old, that young, उसने अपने parents से एक gift मांगा था, which was a Jurassic का tent. And जब उसके पेरेंट्स ने वो टेंट लाके दिया, एक साल she slept in that tent.
Wow.
She was that big a fan, और वो हमेशा से चाहती थी कि इस फ्रेंचाइजी में उसका एक पार्ट हो, उसे एक रोल मिले.
Yeah.
And finally with Jurassic World Rebirth, it's happening.
Method acting.
I know, right? And did we and don't we all like kind of want to see Sarah
Sara Ali Khan.
I was ये सारा मेरे दिमाग में बैठ
I
गया.
don't know.
why.
I mean, like, sure, I would love to see Sara Ali Khan. Like, if they already got Irfan Khan na, so
Yeah.
like, just get like Sare Khans. What if
What if
India में जब बनाएंगे
Jurassic का franchisee with the Khans universe had a, you know,
like Kapoor and Sons becomes Khan and dinosaurs. So
my God, that will be crazy. That's an Indian spin-off that we can make. A fun
TV show.
spin-off. Well, what do you think, Aarti, can we expect from the Rebirth? What do you think? Trailer देख के तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है कि क्या होगा? अब तक क्या समझ आया?
trailer, so first of all, Scarlett Johansson is like in one of my favorite roles where she's like a badass, but like she's not such a badass, where like, you know, you've seen those like dude badasses where they're just like, you know, we don't care about nothing.
Yeah.
And where they aayenge and they stand and the explosions going off and they're just like, actually we're traumatized type. wo वैसे type के roles I don't think she's doing. She's doing more of like a, yeah, I'm a badass and I have friends actually, so I have a life.
And I love how trailer में she's shown कि, well, more or less I can save you, and Jonathan Bailey is like, more or less? What does that mean? You're asking me to go on this extradition to do I don't know what.
Can I also just say, I forgot, like, Jonathan Bailey's American accent, I think it's growing on me.
Yeah.
Like, because the first time I saw the trailer, I was just like, what? I wasn't used to that sound coming out of his mouth.
Yeah.
So, like, now I'm seeing, like, him in the trailer and, like, and everything. Like, I've watched it, like, a couple times.
Do you know what I am most excited about after I saw the trailer? इस बार कौन सा नया हाइब्रिड डायनासोर लेके आते हैं ये लोग? जुरासिक वर्ल्ड जब से आया है, आई मीन जुरासिक पार्क की जो 3 फिल्म्स की फ्रेंचाइजी है, उसमें उन्होंने बस ये बताया कि कैसे जीन मॉडिफिकेशन से उन्होंने एक पुराने मिले हुए डीएनए के पीस से उन्होंने एक्चुअल में डायनासोर्स जैसे थे वैसे उन्होंने वापस लाए. जुरासिक वर्ल्ड हैज टेकन ऑफ द प्लॉट कि हमने जो डायनासोर्स बनाए हमने अब उनको मिक्स करके हाइब्रिड डायनासोर्स बना दिए जो खतरनाक है. और अब मजा आने वाला है. तो हर एक सीरीज में ऑफ जुरासिक वर्ल्ड देयर वाज द इंडोमिनस रेक्स, देन देयर वाज द इंडोरैप्टर. बेसिकली दे आर टेकिंग टी-रेक्स एंड रैप्टर एंड मेकिंग अ मिक्स ऑफ इट. देन द इंडोरैप्टर इज द इंडोमिनस रेक्स एंड अ रैप्टर. मतलब इट्स 2 times a raptor, 1 times a rex.
Yeah.
और ऐसे वो खतरनाक बनाते जा रहे हैं. एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड वन डायनो व्हिच आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी वाज द मोसासॉरस, व्हिच इज लाइक एन एक्वेटिक डायनासोर. वो पानी में रहता है एंड ही हैज रियली गुड सीन्स वेयर इन, जैसे जुरासिक पार्क में टीरेक्स आके सारे सीन्स खत्म करता है. आई मीन भले ही आतंक फैलाने वाले और डायनासोर्स है बट सबसे बड़ा आतंकवादी मैं The T-Rex. एंड में मैं ही आके उन्हें खाऊंगा. वैसे ही ये खत्म होगा. The logo also has the T-Rex in it. The Jurassic logo it has the T-Rex in it. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जुरासिक वर्ल्ड का गुंडा तो मोसासॉरस ही बनेगा.
I think basically क्योंकि इस टाइम से they're going on a boat, right? It's like secluded island, which was like really interesting to me because and books में it's a literal secluded island जो like ये सब experiments कर लेते हैं and all these things, and that's where the park is originally, right? It's like they've kind of sort of recalled that कि like trailer में they're just like this is where they used to do all the experiments.
It's the Isla Nubla, the first ever island जो जुरासिक पार्क में भी दिखाया गया था, जहाँ पर वो पार्क था, एक्चुअल जुरासिक पार्क जहाँ पर था. But the thing is in the trailer they are saying कि अब इस आइलैंड पे वो डायनासोर्स है who were never meant to be a part of the park. मतलब we are in for a surprise. ऐसे डायनोस दिखने वाले हैं हमें इस फिल्म में, is what I am guessing, जो शायद हमने सोचे नहीं. which is why I told you ना, I'm really excited to see अब कौन से हाइब्रिड ला रहे हैं, अब कौन से डायनासोर्स को ये जिंदा कर रहे हैं कि हम सोच ही नहीं सकते कि ये अलग ही एक्सपेडिशंस चलने वाले हैं इनके.
So like because they've already done T-Rex और Raptors,
Indominus Rex,
और फिर वो 2 बार किया Indominus Rex और Raptors. So like which one would you
see? I think that's a very good question. I think अगर मुझे हाइब्रिड बनाना होगा डायनासोर का तो मैं मोसासॉरस और रैप्टर के जीन्स को मिक्स करके एक हाइब्रिड डायनासोर बनाऊंगी. Do you want to know why? Because Jurassic World में, I'm gonna tell you anyway, whether you want to know or not, I'm gonna tell you.
We are kept here until
Jurassic World में उन्होंने ये स्टोरी डेवलप की है कि raptors can be trained. Basically what they want to say is dinosaurs can be trained and used. Although there are some like ऐसे villains है जो ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हम तो इनको अपने means के लिए use करेंगे, but there are some people who are like नहीं हम ये करके दिखाएंगे. For them it's just a challenge कि नहीं हम तो डायनासोर को ट्रेन करके दिखाएंगे. और उन्होंने स्टोरी ऐसे डेवलप की है कि रैप्टर्स जो है वो ट्रेन हो पा रहे हैं. मतलब ओवन ब्रेडी जो है, जो क्रिस प्रैट का कैरेक्टर रहा है जुरासिक वर्ल्ड में, ही इज एक्चुअली shown to be the character that actually gets through the raptors because जब से they hatch out of their eggs, Owen Brady has been there. और वो छोटे से बड़े जो हुए हैं, ओवन हैज बीन विद देम, वो सुनते हैं ओवन की बातें. और ये देख के उनको आइडियाज आ गया कि अभी हम रैप्टर के जीन्स को मिक्स करेंगे तो फिर सारे ही ऐसे एकदम जीनियस सारे डायनासोर्स बनेंगे जो हमारे कमांड्स लेंगे. इस वजह से उन्होंने रैप्टर्स के ब्रीड मतलब जीन्स को सारे डायनासोर्स के साथ मिक्स कर दिया है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर उनको एक स्मार्ट एक्वेटिक चाहिए होगा डायनो, तो मोसासॉरस एंड रैप्टर का मिलाप would be the best. What do you think?
Sure, but like ye raptors, right? Like I don't have that thing that they're the smartest or whatever. I am a little bit of a nerd, like sidebar. So like
book person hai na, bookworm hai ye.
Whoopsies. So like from what I know, raptors aren't the only smart dinosaurs, you know. So I think कि like जो mesosaurus और जो भी aquatic animals है उनमें already एक level of intelligence है. Like you know, like whales are the smartest animals, like in the ocean type vibes. Whales and I think octopuses. Anyways. So because that,
who would you
Mesosaurus
hybrid it with?
Imagine. So Mosasaurus. And सबसे dumb वाला animal,
Brachiosaurus. She means 1 minute. The long neck one.
Long neck वाला. And then Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus. But ये कैसा मिलाप है?
hear me out. Hear me out. So basically, how it would be is ki
Mosasaurus is, yeah. It's a huge, like
it's a huge, like tanker,
like a whale,
basically.
yeah, like you said, yeah.
Whale. So it's like long
Mosasaurus.
neck, okay, like, but not super long. Just ऐसे twing, you know, जैसे वो position होता है ना, twing, like, anyways. तो
like a swan.
वैसे, and then like the body, so it'll be like really pretty, okay? It's gonna be like the prettiest dinosaurs. सबसे, like, think about it. Dinosaurs are necessarily
Brachiosaurus
pretty.
is pretty in itself.
Yeah,
Tell me what is going to be
Brachiosaurus
the purpose of this Brachiomosasaurus? इसका पर्पस क्या है?
Pretty.
आंखों पे easy है. It's just easy on the eye.
It's easy on the
It's
eyes.
easy on the eye.
You can look at it, but then ज़्यादा close जाओगे तो it is still a Mesosaurus, so it's still carnivorous. So it'll be like a Venus flytrap situation, but like for humans, you know, they're just like, oh wow, pretty, and then आगे जाके and it's very like, yeah.
That's very interesting. I would like to ask all of you guys to tell us कि what do you think would be a great, you know, hybrid dinosaur? आप कौन से दो dinosaurs को लेके उनका hybrid बना के, you know, you would leave it out in the park to do what I don't know.
To do.
But Aarti, I have to tell you this.
Yeah. Okay.
So before Jurassic World even came to be,
Mm-hmm.
और I don't know if they had already thought of this, but जैसे ही मैंने जुरासिक पार्क देखा था,
Mm-hmm.
तब से मुझे पेट डायनासोर चाहिए था.
Okay.
ये मेरा सपना रहा है.
Okay.
और मैं चाहती हूँ ये मैनिफेस्ट हो in the most beautiful way. I don't
Okay.
want it to turn out into a very dangerous adventure.
Yeah. You don't want to redo Jurassic Park in the real world, get yourself a
But you know why I wanted it?
Huh.
Because I always believed that dinosaurs are smart and they can be trained. And then they actually made Jurassic World and then they trained Velociraptors and I actually wanted a raptor only. Although I love the Rex. I like the Rex a lot.
Yeah.
But raptors, they were just too smart. I mean, I feel the CGI and animatronics that they have used in Jurassic
Oh
Park,
my God,
which
yeah.
which was like a pioneering moment in the history of filmmaking.
Yeah.
ये जो एनिमेट्रॉनिक्स और सीजीआई उन्होंने किया है इन जुरासिक पार्क जिसमें वो वेलोसिराप्टर इतना रियल लाइफ मतलब हमने देखा नहीं है आरती वी डोंट नो वी वुडंट नो व्हाट दे एक्चुअली लुक लाइक there are people who say that actually dinosaurs had a lot of feathers. They were very hairy. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, मैंने वो भी सुना था, but like.
But let me complete this.
Yeah, sorry.
They had a lot of feathers. So हमने वैसा देखा नहीं है. But any of the dinosaurs that we are seeing, they're not shown to
Feathers,
be,
yeah.
you know, feathery or hairy or any of that. Velociraptor, ये at the most is the imagination of a great, you know, person such as Steven Spielberg and the writer of the book, Michael.
Yeah.
ये जो Velociraptor है, the way they have shown it, the color that they have shown, the eye का movement that they have shown, कैसे अपना नाखून Velociraptor ऐसे जमीन पर मार के उसकी आवाज करता है. All of that is the imagination of this wonderful director that Steven Spielberg is.
I think वो चीज जो है ना that was because paleontologists found कि वो marking ऐसे करता है, so that's how they were able to identify.
I love how
velociraptors.
they showed the
Yeah.
velociraptors doing that on the floor. I mean that was a very symbolic and very signature move of the raptors. जैसे
Yeah.
T-Rex का ऐसे वो loud roar with that jaw opening up broad. वैसे Raptors का it was, of course the speed was always there, but I have heard news that we may never see Chris Pratt, Laura Dern. I will tell you. And now there is news that we may never see Chris Pratt who played Owen Grady, Laura Dern who played Ellie Sattler, and Bryce Dallas Howard who played Claire Dearing ever in the series again.
Wow.
Which really like came in as a bummer for me because मेरे लिए जुरासिक का फ्रेंचाइजी ये एक्टर्स ही है जिन्होंने डायनासोर्स के साथ या तो एक रिश्ता बनाया है या तो समझा है डायनासोर्स को उनका फायदा उठाने की कोशिश नहीं की है
Yeah.
and now you may not see them. Also Ian Malcolm, Jeff Goldblum,
Oh, yes, Jeff Goldblum.
शायद हमें फिर से कभी भी जुरासिक की फ्रेंचाइजी में ना दिखे बिकॉज जेफ ने डायरेक्टली तो ये एड्रेस नहीं किया है बट इनडायरेक्टली जेफ ने एक बार कहा था कि इयन मैल्कम का जो गोल था वो उसने अचीव कर लिया है.
Yeah.
It's time. Like he's done his part, so there's nothing more for him to do.
Yeah.
Which was an indirect way of him telling that we may not see him again.
Yeah.
So अब मुझे सवाल यही है कि क्या हम एलन ग्रांट को रीबर्थ इस सीक्वल में देखेंगे.
I also think a message in the book is very like specific. Ki,
Yeah?
Yeah, because like I was reading the book, right? और पहला चीज जो पढ़ते हो like after the table of contents and all that
Yeah.
stuff, the first thing you see is कि there's this introduction about इस world में like this parallel universe which is very similar to our own. इसमें कैसे लोग genetic engineering कर रहे हैं, why it's so bad, what is going on in our world and all that stuff. So like when you're reading it, actually, I don't want to give too much spoilers because those who those who watch the
read
movie,
करने वाली हूँ
yeah, those who watch the movie already know, kind of sort of know the major spoilers. But either way, but जो introduction है, it's really interesting because it's kind of sort of similar to like how AI is taken over our world, in the sense that वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि this genetic engineering,
The
these
cons
people,
of it.
yeah, so these people, these big corporations, क्योंकि it's this new technology that is come up, सब लोग अभी डालना चाहते हैं सब चीजों में. So like fashion, industry, technology, सारे चीजों में like all these things people want to take genetic engineering and use it for their own good and their own gain.
It's a very selfish game that's going on.
Yeah,
right?
it's a very, and that's like how you're introduced to it. So you have that sort of message all throughout the book ki jo ye log hai. So that's why Hammond in the book is very horrible character actually.
Is it?
Yeah, like he's a really bad guy. You think कि वो grandchildren को बुलाया park दिखाया, it's because he wants to make them happy or whatever.
Yeah.
Because in the book, I'm sure we discussed this. So in the movie as well, like their parents are going through a rough time, kind of thing.
Yeah.
So like you think that they're coming up just to show ki like, you know, I want to make my grandchildren happy. But in the book, he gets so angry and upset at his grandkids. They're lost in the past.
Oh my God, Aarti, now that you say this, you know, actually Hammond in Jurassic Park का franchisee was shown to be a very kind, मस्त मौला इंसान जो जिसने एक पार्क बनाया और उसका ऐसा है कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि सब लोग मतलब आम आदमी से लेके द रिच ऑफ द रिचेस्ट यू नो सब लोग आके डायनासोर एक लाइव डायनासोर को देखे और समझ पाए कि अपने एरा में डायनासोर जिंदा है, ये इतना बड़ा प्रिविलेज है. He is very like Hammond का character shown very down to earth and he loves his grandchildren.
That is so interesting because books में specifically the reason why ये सब बनाया है, he's taken an island and all these things is because he wants to kind of sort of make it a luxury thing. He thinks that the reason he does all this is because he's just like ये बना के, you know, at least 1 billion तो मिलेगा ये सब करके पार्क बना के,
you can for the money.
He's doing it for the money, he's doing it for the rich clients. इसलिए उसने ऐसे luxury mansion बनाया है, luxury like a hotel and all these things बनाया हुआ है. It's specifically for his own gain. He wants the money, he wants the fame of it all.
Let me ask you one thing. Book के हिसाब से who do you think was the reason why things went wrong?
Hammond and Wu. Obviously, there's that guy. What's his name? Jo sub security, sub like
Dennis
shut down.
Nerdy.
There we go. Nerdy.
That guy, I tell you. I feel film में सब उसी की वजह से हुआ. That stupid man thought that it was important to gain more money and put the security fences and all of that down to just for his own personal motive. So like ये personal motive वाला angle है ना उस film में भी है, जैसे you said it's in the book also, but अलग characters में दिखाया गया है. And did you see a Dilophosaurus is also there in Jurassic World Rebirth?
Yeah, it is.
In a quick small scene, you can see the Dilophosaurus there. I was really excited.
Frills के
Yeah,
साथ.
whenever I see real film वाले dinosaurs in any new sequel or anything, I get so excited. I'm like इसमें feels आ जाएगा. Jurassic Park वाला feels आ जाएगा. Do you think इस film में Alan Grant हमें फिर से दिखेंगे?
I mean, honestly, Alan Grant book में was so old. I'm surprised he hasn't died by the time of this book.
No. He's not old in the films. I mean, we saw him last in Jurassic World Dominion, which was the last film.
Oh, wow.
With Ellie Sattler.
Oh, yeah. There was something जो like insects सबके साथ हो रहा था.
The locusts.
Yes, yeah.
Locusts were also being bioengineered in a way.
Yeah.
कि उसको भी तुम train करो और तुम जिसका चाहते हो उसका वो crop खा जाए.
हाँ. I remember the trailer for that being so scary because I'm afraid of bugs. और फिर वो वहाँ पे ऐसे bugs ऐसे like insects सारे
Yeah.
ऐसे swamp पे आ जाते हैं.
Yeah.
Wow. In the books, he loves kids. Like Grant is like ये books में ना, he's like this older professor जिसने like सारी दुनिया देखी है. He has like a wife at home. Actually, technically his wife died, but like he had a life. He has like all these things. So he loves talking to kids. He loves like ऐसे sites में जब लोग like teenagers या फिर like college students आते हैं, like he loves taking them under his wing and stuff like that.
Not the Grant that I know.
Yeah, so
He hated kids.
Yeah.
He could do anything but kids. They actually, Ellie Sattler and Dr. Grant actually have this conversation, but Grant says, I will never have kids. I don't want kids. I don't like kids.
yeah. Whereas book में, at least the first book, you get this feeling that it's not that he didn't want to have kids or anything. It's just that वो नहीं हो पाया. It's like that.
What do you think of Ian Malcolm's character?
Ian Malcolm's character was
In the book.
honestly in the book. He was like one of my favorite characters. Like you know, top tier kind of character tha Ian Malcolm. I think most people agree because Jeff Goldblum also bought that out in the like movie. You see a lot of Jeff Goldblum.
GIFs. GIFs. I to say GIFs.
GIF. Just no.
Yeah.
You can say it however you
Chaos theory.
हाँ. तो वही chaos theory, like he was basically repeating every three three lines. Every 3 lines of his would be like chaos theory.
Yeah.
Chaos theory.
Yeah.
But
He
like
did that quite a lot in the film also.
but then I was actually kind of shocked because पहले book में तो they show him as like kind of sort of dying, honestly.
Jeff Goldblum is not. I mean, Ian Malcolm is not dying. He has been the most alive in the entire franchise. He's been doing cameos or roles in most of the franchisee movies that have come out.
Yeah, so like I'm kind of sort of shocked because मैंने जो सोचा था, because I've seen Jeff Goldblum in like a lot of Jurassic Park. So I was just like, he is not gonna die. But like they never really show him dead. So it's like, is he dying? Is he dead? What state is he in? Next book में आएगा कि नहीं वो तो like I'm more excited for the next book more than
I am excited to see what's happening in Rebirth and if we see all of this cast. But I have to mention this. Like you said, Hammond was shown to be like a bad character in the film. He was shown to be a good character in the film. But he stood for things that Ian Malcolm did not stand for, which is why while they were shooting it, Hammond was in a completely white attire and Ian Malcolm was in a completely black attire to show opposite point of views over us. Like one thing.
That was so weird because book में as well, Ian Malcolm is described as wearing full black, जैसे मैं पहन रही थी, but like without the patterns and stuff. But like full black he's wearing, and Hammond is always shown to be in like light जो भी colored clothes है उसका. Again, like the characters weren't described much. But like it was really interesting because Ian was the one who was being shown as वो अच्छा है actually.
Ian अच्छा
like
है.
He is the one that is first of all right. No matter वो उसका attitude में थोड़ा problem था obviously, but like he's the one that's right. He's the one who actually cares for things, whereas Hammond in the book doesn't care. वो सिर्फ उसका like he's eccentric, वो सबके साथ like he can talk to anyone. He's that kind of person जो like सबके साथ friend तो बनेगा, but like he's not going to be a good person.
Now tell me who all in the book have already died.
So in the book, Hammond has died. Wu has died.
Henry Wu has died.
And Henry Wu died such a brutal death. I actually felt bad for him. क्योंकि क्या है ना?
Did the Velociraptors get him?
Yes. The Velociraptors ate him alive.
In the films, Henry Wu is still alive. I would like to tell you all guys, अभी शोक मनाने का time नहीं है. Although Henry Wu is the scientist who did the genetical engineering.
Yeah.
First film में हमने Henry Wu को देखा था. Henry Wu उसके बाद बहुत सारे films में he has done this cameo wherein even in the Jurassic World, the first film, Henry Wu is the scientist who was working on making the hybrids and all of that.
Yeah.
Henry Wu is also there in the animated series of Jurassic Park, which is the Camp Cretaceous and the Chaos Theory series जो Netflix पर है. And I really, मैंने सच्ची में घोल के पी गई हूँ मैं पूरी Jurassic Park के franchise को. उसमें भी Henry Wu का character है and he's shown to be this person who's just, I don't know, he's way in over his head and he's created this hybrids and जेनेटिकल इंजीनियरिंग को किसी और ही लेवल पे ले गया, बट इसी वजह से सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हुए. एंड इन द फिल्म हेनरी वू इज स्टिल प्रिटी मच अलाइव, ऑल्दो ही वाज अटैक्ड बाय रैप्टर्स इन द लास्ट फिल्म. बट आई विल टेल यू व्हाट, सो व्हेन द बुक was up for bids because a lot of production houses were interested in adapting this book
Obviously,
into a
yeah.
film. Many of them were at the bidding. And although Universal won the bidding, James Cameron really wanted to make this film.
Mhm.
James Cameron, Titanic, Avatar के director,
Mhm.
he really wanted to make this film. And he was like, अगर मैं बनाता तो मैं से aliens जो थी ना 1986 की, मैं वैसे fields में बनाता. और मैं डॉक्टर एलन ग्रांट के रोल में आर्नल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर को आर्नल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर को कास्ट करता.
टर्मिनेटर को प्रोफेसर के
Can you
रोल.
imagine Arnold playing Dr. Alan Grant?
This is
I
so
couldn't.
wild to me because like मेरे
Yeah.
दिमाग में Arnold Schwarzenegger is like he's such a goofy role always, like वो emotionless Stonewall के जैसे role में, because Terminator, right?
Yeah.
So
And
like,
Sam Neill actually brought life to this character of
Yeah.
Alan Grant, wherein he's very grounded. He's like, problem hai, but in the face of problem, we can't be all
yeah,
like, stone faced or not caring or even like too disturbed.
yeah.
Alan Grant showed such a calm and composed person in the face of adversity. I was a fan of him. I was like, अगर life में कुछ बनना है तो ऐसे बनना है कि डायनासोर है सामने लेकिन आदमी फिर भी he's like हम
Sane.
figure it out.
Yeah.
There is a raptor nest in the book.
Yeah, there's a raptor nest.
See, now I think I understand. The book was written and there were plots that were taken. Like Jurassic Park में एक plot लिया गया, उस पर film बनाई गई. Another plot was saved for a next part because I'll tell you
Yeah.
where the Velociraptor ka nest comes into picture. It was in Jurassic Park 3.
Wow.
Yeah, when Alan Grant is again shown, like after 1, he did not show up in Park, like the second film,
Yeah.
the sequel of the film. Only Jeff Goldblum as Ian Malcolm was in the second part. And then in third part, we do not see Jeff Goldblum as much. I don't think we see him at all.
Yeah.
I could be wrong, but I don't remember. We see Ellie Sattler and Grant, and Grant zyadadar, Ellie Sattler does a cameo. And at the time, he goes with the expedition crew to a raptor's nest.
Yeah.
And someone from the crew steals 2 eggs of the raptors. They just steal it. Finders takers.
हाँ.
Le liye do. And then the raptors are shown to be so smart
Yeah.
that they actually hunt them down.
Yeah.
And Grant, after the film ended, Jurassic Park ended, he was this is a very interesting fact that I found out. ऐसे होता है ना कि हम actors को पूछते हैं कि आपने अपने set से कौन सा souvenir लिया था? Something like a memory, like a memoir.
Yeah.
Grant actually took his boots.
Ooh.
Boots. And the boots,
Uh-huh.
which with he had kicked the velociraptors in a very impactful scene. The raptors were chasing all of them.
Yeah.
Grant actually loved the boots so much. He found them so comfortable, Sam Neill, the actor, that he asked the director that these boots I'm taking.
I mean, honestly, same. If anyone were to give me super comfy boots and then say I have to give them back in like 3 months after
Yeah.
everything's wrapped up, I'd be like, no, they're comfy.
And you know what Dr. Ellie Sattler, which is Laura Dern, what she took as a souvenir?
Spill.
एकदम स्टार्टिंग में of the film they show the mosquito जिससे DNA निकाला है. The mosquito basically वो उस lac में
Yeah.
वो हो गया है.
Ember.
Yeah, that little thing was made into a ring,
Oh.
and she still has the ring.
That's so nice.
I know,
Yeah.
and I think there was a scene where Alan Grant actually gives it to Dr. Ellie Sattler, and she was like, "This makes for a good memoir," so she took it with her.
Yeah. I think like this is maybe a little bit of a side rant, but जो like जब लोग ऐसे चीजें पहले ढूंढ रहे थे, right? Like people didn't know dinosaurs were a thing, right? For the longest time. तो कहीं कहीं people would see these embers जिसके अंदर like there'd be like an insect or whatever trapped inside, और उससे real life में jewelry बनाते थे वो लोग.
Wow.
Yeah, like actually. So it's like really.
That's so cool.
Yeah. So that's why in the books वो भी mentioned है कि this guy Hammond, he also auctions में he was specifically buying jewelry with these embers and stuff like that. Yeah.
I also want one.
Now you can't get. Now अभी सबको पता है.
Now you're understanding why I really want to be a part of this franchisee.
Yeah.
So I can have my own memoir or souvenir of my very own self. Yeah. I have one more interesting fact. Dennis Nerdy, who we do not like,
Yes, we
who
don't.
I think caused the entire Jurassic Park fiasco. That stupid man. How he was casted is a really fun story. So, Steven Spielberg had seen him in Basic Instincts. And he was like, this guy would make a good Dennis Noddy. And then the agent of Dennis Noddy actually got in touch with him.
Mhm.
And he was like, hey, there's this role happening. Vagare, vagare. And at the time, he was a little, the actor was a Wayne Knight, his name is. He was a little, like nervous around his agent.
Yeah.
So the agent was like, sit down. And Wayne was like very nervous at the time and he started sweating profusely.
Mhm.
And Steven Spielberg was like, how cool would that be if there was a dino in front of him? And that's why in the film, when Dennis Noddy comes in like against the Dilophosaurus, at a point he's shown to be sweating profusely, although there's rain. But you can see that he's so nervous and he doesn't know what to do. And then he's like, I'm gone.
It's so interesting. I love that.
The film was actually in the beginning being shot on an island in Hawaii.
Yes.
And 3 weeks into the shoot, वहां पर एक हरिकेन आ गया था रियल में जैसे फिल्म में दिखाया जाता है कि एक हरिकेन आ गया है जिस वजह से उनकी टूर को हमें कट शॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा या प्रॉब्लम्स होने वाले हैं या डेनिस नर्डी की जो शिप थी वो जल्दी जाने वाली है और हरिकेन एक्चुअली हैपेंड
Wow.
3 weeks into the shoot and the cast everyone was stranded on the island because there was no way to communicate with the mainlands ki send reinforcements take the crew out to safety and all of that. And at the time when the hurricane hit, look at the genius of this director. Steven Spielberg took the director with him to take shots of the real hurricane happening and how the waves were hitting the shore of the island and all of that. And some of these shots actually made it into the film.
Yeah, the cinematographer, I
Yeah.
think. Yeah. वो camera के साथ ऐसे
Yeah.
I think I heard about that क्योंकि वो like there was like a thing going around on social media ki like things that Steven Spielberg, interesting things that Steven Spielberg.
So there were actual shots of the hurricane happening at the time when they were shooting. और उसके बाद then the shoot completely was shifted to the studios of the Universal Studios में shoot होने लग गया. But to imagine there was actually a hurricane and the cast and crew actually got a taste of it. I have to mention this very important scene. This is a very, I feel like an impactful scene or like the turning point in the film where the T-Rex attack is about to happen when the security is down. Attack hone wala hai. And how they find out that something is wrong is in the car, there's a glass kept on the dashboard and there are vibrations happening. That's the first scene where they realize something is not right. I mean, electricity is down, ye samajh aa raha hai, but unhe nahi pata tha ki the fences are not working. They were in the car. They just thought that the electricity is out in such a way that the tour can't go ahead.
अच्छा.
तभी वहां पर वो जो ग्लास रखा था उसमें मतलब vibrations were happening. How these vibrations were created or made to be is a really interesting story. It was done by guitar strings.
What?
Yeah. I mean, they showed that मतलब अगर पूरा प्रोडक्शन देखा जाए तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि धम 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 ऐसे जब आवाज हो रही है टीरेक्स के फुटस्टेप्स की तब with every धम there's a vibration happening. But a guitar like dashboard के नीचे guitar strings रखे थे and at the perfect note when the player was doing the perfect note the vibration would show.
Wow.
That is how they recorded it. And they also after did it in the puddles and all of that.
Yeah.
But can you imagine how so many different factors and aspects were used to bring out this beautiful, picturization of what could have been or how something could have been? Another iconic moment of the Jurassic Park was Lexi screaming. It became a GIF also and a very, iconic scene where the T-Rex is now, like I said, you can scream, but you can't move in front of a T-Rex.
Yeah.
Lexi has just gotten out of this car that was ulta.
Yeah.
And Grant helped her come out of the car and she's just standing like this and she sees the T-Rex right in front of her and she screams her lungs out.
Yeah.
This girl was casted because she could scream like the loudest. And when Steven was looking at girls, like auditioning girls for the role of Lexi, he decided that the one who can scream really like out loud, like has that huge of a lung capacity, जहाँ पे इसकी scream इतनी crazy होगी कि वो दहला देगी सबको. When he was seeing the audition tapes, his wife was sitting in the other room. And this girl came onto the screen and she gave her audition. And the wife was scared in the other room. She was like, what is happening with the kids in this room? And she came running. That's how he knew that this was the right. I do know that Aarti has got some dino, riddles for me, which she's going to throw at me. And let's see if I can answer them.
Okay. So the first is, what do you call a dino that wears cowboy hat and boots?
Eehaw-saurus.
No, it's a tiny dino. Tyrannosaurus Tex, but I
Texas. God.
I like your answer better.
Yeah, Ehosaurus.
Okay, so what do you call a park where they do a hybrid dino and pigs?
Pigs.
Yeah, pigs.
Why would they hybrid a dino with pigs?
So that they can call it Jurassic Pork.
I could not have gotten this.
Okay. What did the dino call her blouse business?
A blouse business.
Blouse business. Triceratops.
Triceratops. Yeah.
Okay. This is actually more of an information. Scientists recently found the most intelligent dinosaur in record. What do you think they're called?
Geniusaurus.
A thesaurus.
I tried. I should have my own other, what is it called? The
Answer key.
No. The phone book wala directory. I should have my own directory where I name my own dinosaurs.
Like ek ke baad ek.
Yeah.
This is the best. Okay. How do you know whether or not a dinosaur is in your fridge?
Because it won't shut. I know this one. They try to do it with the elephant, Do you know that to end this, I would just like to give everyone an estimate of how much money it would be required to actually have a dinosaur theme park, which is $23 billion to just create the park.
Wow.
And it would require a $12 billion every year to run it. Good for me. I have my own park and I run it because I play Jurassic World Evolution on PS5. I have my imaginary money, I have my imaginary park, and I have designed it just how I like it. And I would suggest if you want to own your own Jurassic Park, create your own dinosaurs, you should go play it.
Yeah, 23 billion.
I mean, it's PS money, so it's not like it's going out of your pocket or my pocket.
So it either takes 23 billion or how much ever the PS3
is for. Yeah. Guys, very excited we are to see what Jurassic World Rebirth is in store for us. But you do let us know first of all, what hybrid dino would you create if it were up to you? And second of all, who do you think is the villain of the series? Who do you think this entire dino,
Hammond.
Adversity, fiasco and all of that has happened?
Like Hammond. Yeah.
It's not happening. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.
Bye.
RC Swapper presents Filmy Firangi, Videshi Films, Desi Feels.